So you can see my brows are kind of bare. I'm missing some hairs. I have microbladed my brows in the past, but I only did it once, and you're supposed to do it multiple times to make sure they don't go. So you can see like a little bit of a faded line there, but they've kind of gone away. But what I love about this is it really makes your brows look super microbladed. So this is in the shade Brunette Betty, which is my favorite shade. I love this shade so much. And you can see I've like totally been using and abusing this. It's just so awesome. The only thing I will say that I kind of wish this had was a spoolie. It doesn't come with a spoolie anywhere, so you need to use a spoolie. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my brow hairs up, because that you really wanna start with. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start using the pencil side first. And I'm just drawing on like little hairs, like the way I normally would. And as I'm applying those hairs, I'm also just gonna blend them out. Again, I really like a spoolie and a brush. And then for the front, I'm gonna use a different shade. So I don't want it to be super blocky. I really want it to be just like this. I'm then just gonna brush my brow hairs up. So now after I've brushed my brow hairs up, I'm gonna use the other side, which is this amazing liquid liner, and I'm just gonna start lining little itty bitty tiny hairs. And this really gives you that kind of like microbladed brow. I'm literally holding my brow pencil like this and drawing little lines like this. And this is my favorite shade, Brunette Betty. I think this shade is gonna be kind of like one of those universal brow shades that works for everyone. I do personally think it's really nice to have like depth. So I'm gonna go ahead and use, this is a darker color called Dark Drapes. It's really dark. I think it's the darkest color in the collection. And I'm just drawing more hair. So this way I'm getting different depth. You have hairs that are forward, hairs that are backward, and are behind the other hairs. And this way you're getting a much more natural looking brow. And for the front, I'm just gonna use Brown Sugar, which is such a beautiful light shade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this front area here. Looks so nice and natural. So this is my brow naturally, and this is the brow with the brow blade from Urban Decay. I think this personally looks so much better. This looks like brow hairs instead of, you know, really bulky lined brows. And I personally think that's the future. The future is a more bushy, more natural brow, especially here. You can see like I've kept all these hairs kind of here. And if you don't have hairs, you could always take this liner and just kind of go like this and just kind of keep this area looking a little bushier. So it looks like kind of clean, kind of messy, but this is such an amazing product. This is legit my favorite brow product that I've ever seen. So I'm super excited for Urban Decay to launch this. I don't have the details on the date, but I'll try to get the information and post it. But I am super, super pumped for this. I think this is literally gonna be a game changer when it comes to brows.